Are you ready to take your business online but worry about setting up the cost for the online store? What if I told you you can set up a professional digital online store for free? That's right. In this video, I'm going to show you a step by step how you can set up a professional digital online store on a platform called System.io, which is perfect for business owner and online marketers. You don't need a coding skill or a big budget. Just follow along, and by the end of the video, you should be able to set up your digital online store in no time. Stick around because by the end of this video, you have everything you need to start growing your online business. Let's dive in. To start, you need a System.io account. If you don't have it, don't worry. I'll put a link in the description. You'll click the link and sign up for free forever account. That's right, free forever account includes the setting up your digital online store feature. Once you sign up, let's jump right into the setting up your online store. Once you sign up, you'll look at the dashboard. From the dashboard, you need to go to website and click on the digital store. Once you click on the digital store, let's click on the create. And this is where you're going to create it. Another thing you need is a domain. Now, I did a video on setting up a custom domain in it. I'll put the link in the description. Click on it, and then you have the custom domain. Or most likely, you'll have a default domain set up by a System.io. On this video, I'm going to do the my custom domain, and we'll name it Digital Store right here. So this is the URL path for your store, and we save it. We are just going to add our digital store. To get going, the first thing is the editor, and you need to add the products, add the section, and go from there. So let's go to edit design. This is where you pick up the theme. There is a default template theme that's given to you. We can just pick up one and then run with it. Click the first one, apply theme, and then you need to add the picture, edit. So this is your display name. You can have your own name, or if you have your business name, you can put that. You can have the social links. These are all the social links. This is the Instagram, TikTok. I need to put my website. So this is my blog website. I'll put the YouTube, this channel, Instagram, my TikTok. Yes, I do have, and you can put all the other ones if you want it. And if you made any mistake, it will just show the URL is invalid. You can just double check it. We can just double check it and see which one it is. Okay, so this is it. Anything else you want to add? There are a lot of other things you can add, the Twitter, Facebook, whatever you need. Just advice, just put as little as possible, 3 to 4. I'm putting 4 down. So you know is bio on your business or which area of expertise you want to be in. You can just go to a ChatGPT and help us out. Write a short bio for you, first person. I'm just going to tell you a little bit about myself. Okay, let's see, shorter and to the point. You just copy this, paste. Okay, so this sounds pretty better, short, to the point. Next thing you want to do is picture. So click on this. So this is the picture I'm going to use it. So let's open, move it around if you want to how it is, and click upload. That's done. We'll save it. Now you have your title, your name, your little bit bio, and the links you want to promote for your own business. You can add section or add new products. Let's click on add new products. So we have 4 different products. First one is redirect to an internal link. This could be, if you're affiliate some product, you can click that. Collect emails to build your email list. You can sell a digital on download and sell a course. So let's say first we do is collect emails. So you can select an image, same thing. You click on thumbnail. You can just select whatever you want for the purpose. I'm just gonna, okay. So let's select that. Title, subscribe to our newsletter, subscription button, subscribe, what you want to be on there. So collect information you need, required email and the first name. You can turn off the first name. All I need is email is most important. I'll put the first name in there and see if you want to give the first name, fine. If not, doesn't matter. As long as I get their, grab their email, get the latest news and updates. So you just want to tell them a little bit about what they're getting. So get the latest news and update. on affiliate marketing. This is where, if you look at on your left side, is where you will see whatever you're writing on it, how it's going to look. Subscribe to our newsletter button, subscribe. You can add a field if you want to. There, the last name, country, and all that. I'm not going to do that. Next, this is it goes into the thank you, and check your email index for our latest update. We'll save it as a draft. Done. You can publish it. We'll publish it when we finished our digital store. Next one is we'll just do the add a new product. Let's do a redirect to an external link. And again, your thumbnail. Yeah, sell a buy. I'm going to have a video on this. Subscribe to my channel if you want to know about the face select video. So let's do that. Right here, just add it. Check it out. Click me. Visit my affiliate link. Rate in 2 minutes. And check it out. You can just put the name. Click me. You can just do free trial. They do have free trial, so let's try that. And the URL, save it as a draft. The other thing you like it is you can just move it up or down if you want to see how it is, so you can customize it. Now I'm going to add another product. I'm going to add another of my affiliate link for System.io. What I like really about it is free forever account. Thumbnail. Let's just create one. Okay, there it is. Okay, let's do that. All in one platform, free account, all in one platform for starting your online business for free. URL. Okay, we save it. Okay, so now you know how easy it is for the affiliate if you want to redirect to another one. So add a new product. Let's see, sell a digital download where you can sell ebook, PDF, templates. Let's see. So again, thumbnail. I'm just gonna pick this one. What is your digital product? You can just name it. I'll put funnel template and I'm selling it for free, and transform your effort today. Looks good. We go to next. The next thing is you just select and drag your image here. So we'll do that. So this one. Get hands on. Okay, buy now button. And this is the description. So I get access to, again, we get rid of this. To what are the benefits for buying my sales funnel template. Let's say your save time. So you just need to customize it. It's already there. Swapping up some images and all that. You don't have to worry about the rest of the stuff in making design and all that. Let's put that. The email, first name, price plan. So what you want to do, the price plan, and the payments method. You can set it up. You can set it up through Stripe. Select what is a US dollar, and then you can just do Apple Pay or Stripe. You can do both, or you can do one. You just do the price plan if you have any subscription for it. So you can do one time, or you can do subscription or payment plan. We'll just do one time, make it easier. So you can do subscription, then you have to create one. So for us, for easy purpose, we'll just do one-time payment. Choose the existing plan. If your plan is in the System.io, and then it will be here. Otherwise, you just have to create a new one. So click on it. It will just give you name of the plan is templates. Price plan name display on your dashboard. Sales funnel templates. The amount. So you can just put $9.99, and you save it. And that's it. And you go to next and upload your digital product. Again, you confirmation email and next. And this is your thank you. Save it. You have the subscribe to your newsletter, the 2 affiliate links, and you also have the templates to sell any digital product. Last item you can add right as of today is sell a course. So we click on that. Thumbnail, again, you can select your thumbnail for your course if you already have one. I'm just going to pick a random one that I have it. Again, we'll put this. We'll put the Russell Brunson picture there. Title 12-week program. You can choose whatever you want. Let's say 30 days program. Get my course. Let's see. Or you can change it to a way challenge. And then you can just write a 2 course description. What highlights your student will lean step by step. on how to build funnel for your business in next 30 days. So we go next. Well, I'm just going to pick the same picture. Get now, get my course. And then you just write something about the program you're selling, the benefits, what they will learn in this course. As I see, build funnel in next 30 days, and they will learn. And you can pick number two. Same thing, email and the first name, price plan. We click. I'm just going to select the same one as for this video purpose, but you can create one if you don't have it, or if you have it in your system IO, so you already had the account, you can just pick from there, save, and payment method again, the credit card, Stripe. You need to add Stripe to your account to system IO. PayPal is in Apple Pay, and save it. Go next, and then we select the course. Now I haven't have this course on the system IO. You need to have a course in the system IO, and you do get to have a course in the system IO in the free plan. So don't worry about it that you need to upgrade it. You can have that, and then you have next. So this is it. And then if you want to, you can add a section if you like it. I just don't want to, which I just want my online digital store to be not too much information on there, nice and clean, direct to them, and then you can just view it. So we have this. I haven't made those publish, so let's publish, and then let's just view it. So this is how it's going to be, and let's just verify our links and see how it is. So goes to my, let's go see if it goes to YouTube. Okay, this goes to YouTube. Let's see, Instagram. Yep, this is the Instagram. And TikTok. Couldn't find this account, so I just have to double check my handle for the TikTok. Next thing is your email. So let's just put the email and first name, and let's see, subscribe, right? So that's done. And you also have this, which is your affiliate link. If you want this, if you don't want it, it's very easy to get rid of that folder. Syllabi. So let's see if you get the free trial for this. Yep. So this is my affiliate link that I'll be talking about it. Next thing we knew is, let's go back to view, all in one platform. So system IO, right? So this is it. If you need to change, if you don't like the theme, you want to change it, let's go back to our stores. You can just edit design. Yeah, there we go. So we just go to edit design and pick any other theme. So let's just see if you like any of the other one. This is mostly if you're selling. Let's see this, and this is how it's going to be right here. It's not bad, right? So you can apply the theme, and you can also change the color, the heading, the font, and the body font. Then see, there it is. It's pretty good. And you can, this is for your affiliate link. If you like it, fine. If you don't like this, you can get rid of it. It's pretty easy. All right, guys, this is how easy it is to set up your online digital store. And once you set it up, you can just make changes as you go along. See you in the next video. Bye.